And we've got a chill in the air, and that makes it the perfect time for chili. Howard shows us how to make barbecue one-pot chili in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I want to wish everyone a happy Veterans Day. Today's a day we should salute all who have served in the military and be thankful that we live in such a great nation. And if you're looking for something special to do for a veteran, how about whipping up a batch of our super easy chili for them? We start by browning some ground beef along with an onion and a bit of garlic in some vegetable oil. Now, we add some canned crushed tomatoes, a good amount of barbecue sauce, a couple cans of kidney beans, and a bunch of off-the-shelf spices. The secret ingredient that makes this stand out from other chilies is the barbecue sauce, which adds a touch of smokiness. After this simmers and the flavors come together, take a pot of this over to a veteran who lives nearby. Just think how much this would mean to them. The recipe for our barbecue one-pot chili is online now and is ready to help you thank a veteran for all they've done. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an honorable way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
That recipe just might deserve a salute. Well, you can find it along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Well, in honor of Veterans Day, a number of 4-state restaurants, stores, and other businesses are offering discounts and freebies for veterans and military members. We've posted a list of participating businesses on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.